back to my channel. It is me, AJ. Welcome back. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look on basically how I lay my units. It's not an in-depth video. If you want an in-depth video on how I cut and how I styled and colored it, please give this video a thumbs up so I can know if that's what you want to see. So yeah, this unit is very, very pretty. It's very, very, very pretty. I cut this joker to death, honey. To death, okay? So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today we are installing a custom unit made by me. And here she is. Here she is. This is a 12-inch. This is a 12-inch 13x4 frontal and two 14-inch bundles. I did cut and layer it, and I also did some highlights in it as well. So, very natural, very chic. So if you want to see how I installed this unit, then please keep on watching. So right here, I'm just showing you the construction of the cap, and I'm putting it on now. And when you put it on, you want to line it up and make sure it's correct and it's placed properly on both sides. And now I'm cutting off both of the ear tabs. Cutting off the ear tabs is very important. You want to make sure you do that. And when you cut off the ear tabs, just line it up, make sure it's all lined up correctly. And now here I'm just cutting off the lace. I like to cut off my lace beforehand. It gives me a better view on where to place the frontal at. So right here I'm just cutting off the excess lace. This I am using Ghostbond XL. I'm using this adhesive. I do put on 2 layers of this. You want to spread it real thin, and you want to wait till it's completely dry to tack down your unit. So I didn't wait till it was completely dry, but you know, I was kind of in a rush. I had to go to church. But anyway, so I'm just lining it up here, just making sure it's good and lined up, and I'm pressing it in with my fingers. Make sure your fingers don't have any oil on it because it will lift up. And right here, I'm just pressing it with the back of my comb and combing it. And after you press it with the back of your comb, you want to take your blow dryer, and you want to blow dry it on a cool setting so that the adhesive can get really tacky and so the lace can actually melt down into your skin. With this particular unit, I did not bleach the knots. I just put a little foundation on the lace, which I should have bleached the knots, but I didn't. So that's what you see I'm doing here. I'm just putting another layer on the sides, on both sides. So I'm going to tack this down and make sure that it's all good and secure. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting glue on the other side now. And you want to wait till these completely dry. And I did use 2 coats of this. I don't know if I showed it, but I did use 2 coats. And right now I'm just pulling it down. And again, once you pull it down, you're going to use your comb, and you're going to comb it back and press it into your skin. And you're going to use your blow dryer for this. If you want an in-depth video on this, then please give this video a thumbs up, or put a comment down in the comment section so I can know that you want a full in-depth video with me. Hi, Mommy. Shh. With me installing this unit. Mommy. What are you doing? Okay, I'm doing a voiceover, boo. Right now, I'm just pulling out my baby hairs just a little bit, and I am cutting them with some cutting shears. Just pulling out a little bit. I'm not really going to tack this down. I don't think I showed it in this video, but I'm just pulling down my baby hairs or whatever, making sure it looks right to make it look a little bit more realistic, because it is looking kind of wiggy and I do not want that look. And I do apologize, that is my daughter, you know, she's everywhere I go, so it's no, you know, getting past it. Shh. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I do appreciate all of you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment down below. And also, I will be coming back with another video. Remember to stay safe and stay beautiful.